This Cookidoo recipe is terrific, however with the pasta I choose to use I've had to create a few little tweaks. First up, I like to pop my baby spinach into my thermoserver and set that aside until the end. Next up, the recipe tells me to add 2 garlic cloves. I've added 3 because they're small. Next, add 100 grams of drained sun-dried tomatoes. The recipe includes red capsicum, which you can adjust to your liking. I chose a small one, and after chopping, it weighed 180 grams. The next ingredient required is sweet paprika. I opted for smoked sweet paprika because we enjoy its flavour. Did you notice how I utilised the integrated glider foot to bring my TM7 forward on the bench? Now add a bit of salt. I'm using a touch more than half a teaspoon because I'm using flaked salt instead of fine salt. Pepper to taste. Pop the lid on for a quick chop. Scrape down, then follow the steps to cook. While it's cooking, I use the time to cut the chicken into bite-sized pieces. You'll notice you have plenty of sauce. You'll need it so that the pasta can absorb it and be al dente. For the Barilla pasta I've selected, I've raised the water content to 400 grams, up from the 340 grams specified in the recipe. I've noticed that if you use this specific pasta, you can set your timer for 14 minutes. This is an important step. When the time is up, pour your pasta and sauce into the thermoserver, pop on the lid and leave it to rest for at least 5 minutes. Once it's rested, you can use a fork to lift the spinach and fold it through before serving. You have to try it, but remember it all depends on the pasta you've chosen for the liquid and cooking time.